What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently we're sitting at 51 cents, up 10%. Nice breakout over the last 24 hours. We're seeing a market count of 4.09 billion. And the 24-hour volumes come up a little bit here to about 657 million. So let's hop into the charts. So we broke out of our ascending triangle that we talked about yesterday, and looks like we're coming back down for a retest, which is very typical. Where you break out, you retest. A lot of people will look to go long off that retest of that pattern here. So we may be starting our wave 3. This is a nice impulsive move. Personally, I don't think this is your wave 1. I don't think it's long enough because your wave 3 target is all the way up at about 97 cents. If we take our trend-based 50 extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 2, the 1.618 currently coming in at about 90 cents. So if this were to be your wave 1, you could measure your wave 3, bottom of wave 1 to the top, bottom of wave 2, and your wave 3 would only take you up here to about 61 cents. And that's quite shallow for a wave 3, considering that our target is 90 cents. So if we are going to see an impulse to the upside, I still think we're going through the wave 1. I don't think the wave 1 is complete yet. But as of right now, we have broken out of this ascending triangle and looks like we're coming back for a retest. And I do trade Matic quite regularly. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, they're coming at the $10 membership for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. We made some juicy profits off the last Matic rip here. 70% move from our entry. It's all available through the Patreon at the $10 membership. So if we do see a retest and we see continuation to the upside, then we can be looking at our wave 3 that will take you all the way up here to about 90 cents, which is the technical target. Now, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see we've gone back above the EMAs and we're about to have the bullish cross, the 20 and the 55. So we've broken out and we're coming back down to retest the pattern. Not only that, but to retest the EMAs. So if we can hold the EMAs, then boom, we can see that continuation back to the upside. The only way to invalidate that is to come down and lose about 44 cents. If we lose that level and we come down, we lose this low at 42 cents here. Then there's a higher likelihood of us coming down to about 32 cents. But as of right now, we've broken back above the EMAs. We've broken out of ascending triangle. So as long as we can hold this level of support, then we can see that continuation to the upside. If we look at the daily time frame, we're holding support of 44 cents, which is a major level. If we scroll back here, you can see right here all this resistance in this area. So we created a strong level of support. We're starting to see a little bit of push here. So if we come up and break 56 cents, then we're putting in a beautiful cup and handle pattern where here's your cup, here's your handle. If we were to come all the way up and break this neckline, I will give you a technical target breakout. That could take Matic all the way up. Let me take a little measurement here, bottom of the pattern all the way to the top. If we were to break out of this cup and handle, that could take Matic all the way up, would be a huge breakout all the way up to about $1.16. We do have some major resistance, previous support about $1.03. That is quite a pump here for Matic. I think we'll have to wait to see if we hold the support of the ascending triangle, hold the EMAs, and see that continuation to the upside. That's basically it for Matic. We've seen a nice little bounce, so we may see that beautiful cup and handle pattern form if we see that push up to about 60 cents here. But if we lose these lows here, and then I would expect you to come down, back down to about 35 cents for Matic. That is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. My exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership for my spot trades, for my leverage trades, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's my favorite exchange for trading. $4,500 in bonuses. All the links are in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.